It's now that time in the programme when the producer gets me to do something dangerous. I think it's more for her entertainment than mine. Well, just about to go and do some dog sledding, which is really interesting given there's no snow. Clearly can't take Major with us, he's got to stay behind in the car. I think once you found out what was going to be happening, I think I'd be quite pleased just to stay in the car, wouldn't you? You good boy? You going to stay here? Yeah, good boy. First of all, what's about to happen here, Mary?
Well, it's going to be quite a different experience for you. We're going to take you out with a team of our Huskies.
Wow. You any good at this? I'm not suspicious,
no,
I'm just asking.
I'm hopeless, absolutely hopeless.
You are the world champion though, is that right?
Yes, I'm the world champion.
Yeah, I knew that.
I won the world championship last year.
Right, so what's going to happen now then?
We're going to get you in your gear.
Right, oh, hey,
you're going to get strapped into the seat, and then we're going to be getting the dogs ready, and it's going to get awfully noisy.
The dogs love it though, don't they?
They do.
Because that's what they're bred for.
They are. They are bred to run in harness, and so when they're doing that, that's really it's the best thing for them.
Well, while you get the dogs sorted out, I'll get my outfit on.
Okay, you do that.
Okay.
All right.
I feel like a prisoner. I ain't going anywhere for the moment. Well, here comes the dogs. This big lady's Berry. Hello. Hello. Well, she's very excited, I think. Well,
How was that?
That was amazing. What a sensation. I wouldn't mind getting 6 of these guiding me to walk it maybe a bit faster. They seem to get into their groove. Would that be fair, Mary?
Yeah, they do. As soon as they go, that's it. They're just totally focused. All they want to do at that point is run.
You really can feel the power of the dogs when you're going round. You really feel them move. I feel now Mary's trying to hold them back. We come up and over the horizon and disappear. But it really is an incredible sensation, and it's one I've never experienced before. And it's quite amazing, actually.